Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. So let's have an example. This is the video that I want to export. First, before you click the export at the top right, click the 1080p right here. You're going to be able to edit or modify the HD. If you want it to be 2K, 4K, and the frame rate and the code rate, right? And then you're going to be able to basically, after you finish setting the quality, click export at the top right, and then select the quality right here. And if you want to double check, and then basically if you want to share it to TikTok, you're gonna be able to share it right away, and you can save it to your device by clicking right here, the upload to your device, and then click save to device. Basically that's it. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.